Here we roll down the leaf-lined path in our RV, where the warm hearts laugh. Golden trees whisper secrets untold. With the poodles beside us, adventures unfold. Firelight dances glowing so bright, lakeside charms stealing the night. At Lake Oconee, where love takes flight, as leaves paint the world in hues of delight. With every adventure our bond grows strong. In the heart of the fall, this is where we belong. Ooh, boat rides gliding with ripples that sway, steaks on the grill under stars soft play. Laughter and whispers float on the breeze. In this fall romance we find our peace. A cozy embrace, two hearts as one. In our little paradise the day is almost done. At Lake Oconee, where love takes flight, as leaves paint the world in hues of delight. With every adventure our bond grows strong. In the heart of the fall, this is where we belong. Ooh, so here's to our journey, just me and you. In the RV of dreams our love comes true.